Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change templates in Squarespace. So firstly, open up your Squarespace website, and when you reach inside your website, I want to make this thing pretty clear that if you're using a Squarespace version above 7.1, it is not possible because they have completely removed the setting from Squarespace 7.1 or above. But previously, before Squarespace 7.1, you can go to simply design, and over there you would have find a setting called change theme, like Spotify and WordPress. But now it's much more complicated in changing themes, and it will be required for you to even code and stuff. So I will not recommend that. So what you can do is just simply create a new website, or just simply get an older version of Squarespace and do it in that. Or if you want to make minor changes inside your website, you can just simply go and click on edit over here and make the minor changes inside the website from here. Let's say, for example, if you want to change the logo or the color, you can do that from here. Elements, the styling, the position. You can do that from here. You can even go inside the header and change the settings over there. Like if you don't want the button over here, you can remove that. Social links, that can be also be disappeared. The cart, you can change minor settings from here. So that's the only option for editing a template in 7.1 or above. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.